Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com. I am a digital marketing and web analytics expert. In this video, I am going to talk about Google Ads conversion tracking. So, if you need my help for your conversion tracking or your marketing and you need my consultancy meeting, then I will put a link on this video description. Just you have to follow the steps for book an appointment with me. Okay, let's dive in here. Basically, just think this is my website as a freelancer and I am gonna run Google Ads, and I have a lead form that made by JotForm for WordPress, and I just want when someone fulfill this form, then I want to tell Google it's my lead. So for form, there is no thank you page. So I just need to help of Google Tag Manager. If you don't know about Google Tag Manager is a product by Google. This is very awesome tool. So first of all, what you have to do, connect Google Tag Manager to your website by copy and paste this code under you have to paste under the head tag. I hope you can do that. If you don't know, then I already published many video about this. You can search it on out. You can browse my YouTube channel. You will get it how you can set up Google Tag Manager to your WordPress website. Okay, when you have done, then you have to come in to your page. Just think it is your page. So what you have to do, just go to Google Tag Manager and go on the preview mode. And at first, of course, you have to make a goal on Google Ads. Okay, and then now I'm going to connect. Okay, so let's see what happened if I submit the form first. Okay, so this website is coming on the Google Tag Assistant, and why I love Google Tag Assistant, because here is the full flexibility that you can optimize or you can review your setup, it's working or not, something like that. So that's why I'll always love Google Tag Manager, and this is the all solution for all the tracking or media platform. That's when you can run Google Ads, Facebook ads, or other ad platform you can run, but you can control all the conversion tracking in one place, which is Google Tag Manager. That's why it's very cool. Okay, let's go to submit this form and see what happened. So we need to complete the human. So click the image example of the photo. So we can select the food and verify yes, and then submit. And here you can say this is thank you page, and there is no extra page as a thank you. Here is just thank you message pop up here. So let's back to on the Google Tag Assistant, and here you can see this is the event called Google Jot form submitted. It's coming here, and you can see this event is going to Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. Also, I have set up this two video I already published on the very few. So just if you want to learn that, also check that. So copy this event name and go to Google Tag Manager, and then you have to make a trigger with this exact same name. Okay, just copy and paste, don't need to do anything. Here you can see this is what I made already 2 days ago, but how you can do that, go to new and then select the custom event and then paste the same name. Not yeah, this name you have to save, then you can make this trigger. Okay, so when your trigger is made ready, you just have to make a tag, copy the new, just tag and then new, and then select Google Ads. You will find the template from template gallery Google Ads, just copy it and then here is a lot of like few Google Ads tracking type, but I recommend you to select Google Ads conversion tracking. Just select this one, and here you can see a little bit warning here. Just it's recommend you to make a conversion linker tag. Just hit on create, and within one click you can easily make this event, and then this warning will gone. Okay, here you can see this gone, and here is important thing that we need, which conversion ID and conversion label. So where you will get it, you will, when you go to your Google Ads account, and here you can see when you click make a goal, and when you tag setup use Google Tag Manager, and then you will find the tag ID and tag label. Just copy this tag ID and come here and paste it here, and go to here again, copy the conversion label and come back here and here, and that's it guys. Here is no value, no transaction ID, no currency, because it's for only the e-commerce website. Okay, so this two is enough, and we need to select the right trigger that we have made few seconds ago, so which is the JotForm submit. Just select it, and we have done. Now let's time to save it, and then save, and it's time to test again, and then we have seen our all the setup is working fine. After that we will submit the version of Google Tag Manager. Okay, so let's go to Google preview and then see what is happening on there. Okay, so it's very important that you have to set up your you have to test your setup. Okay, so it's very important, because if you do any single mistake it will not work. Okay, so here you can see, and let's submit this email again and then submit, and of course we need to improve, we are not the human, and then select laptop and then verify, and hit the submit form button and go back the tag assistant, and here you can see our tag is fired. So that means it will work perfectly, and now you have to click on submit button and paste publish this latest version, then it will start working, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so that's it guys, that I wanted to show you today, and if you found this video was really helpful to you, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then please do subscribe my channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. So, and if you need my personal P2P consultancy, of course I highly recommend to go to check this video description and book an appointment with me. And that's it guys, see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.